Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to change your avatar in the Duolingo app. Let's get started. Open the Duolingo application on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. When you open the Duolingo application on the homepage at the bottom of the screen, look for your profile icon and click on it. On your profile page, you will see your current avatar along with other account details. In order to be able to change the avatar, you will see a gear-shaped option in the upper right corner of the screen that you will click on. Clicking on the gear will open a new page where, in addition to changing your name, username, email, and password, you can also change your avatar by clicking on your profile picture. The application will open a new page where you can change other things besides skin tone and body. After finishing arranging your avatar, all you have to do is click on Done, and that's it. Note: if you had a profile picture and decide to change it to an avatar, the applications will no longer allow you to return to the profile picture. Because the Duolingo application itself changed it completely and decided to use an avatar instead of a profile picture from now on. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your avatar. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy learning!